Pulse 3D headset to PlayStation Portal wireless audio pairing guide. Method 1, direct wired connection, best for playing anywhere. So locate the 3.5 mm audio cable, the aux cable that comes in the box. Within your Pulse 3D headset, plug one end of the cable into the 3.5 mm audio jack at the bottom of your PlayStation Portal. Then plug the other end into the audio jack on the Pulse 3D headset. Then leave the headset turns off. It will draw passive audio power automatically through the wire. Method 2, home wireless connection. So ensure the USB wireless dongle for the Pulse 3D headset is plugged directly into the USB port on your PS5. Then turn on the Pulse 3D headset using its power switch. Then launch your game on the PlayStation Portal. The PS5 will stream the game audio wirelessly to your headset while streaming the visual to your head LED screen. Goodbye and thanks for watching.